There's a place on Earth, so cold, so silent, it almost feels like time forgot it. A land of endless white, where the sun disappears for months, and wind carves the ice like a sculptor in a trance. This is Antarctica, and beneath its frozen stillness lie secrets the world has never truly seen. Out here, the rules of life begin to blur. Antarctica is often called a desert. Strange, isn't it? But it is. The driest, coldest place on the planet. Larger than Europe, and with less rainfall than the Sahara. The coldest temperature ever recorded, -89.2 degrees Celsius, was felt here. The kind of cold that stops breath, that silences even thought. And then there's the wind. Katabatic winds, they're called. Air so heavy and fast it can knock over trucks. No trees, no grass, no permanent animals. Only stone, snow, and the occasional whisper of something alive. And yet, life doesn't give up so easily. Buried deep in the ice, scientists found microbes, frozen for hundreds of thousands of years. Not dead, just waiting. Some live in darkness, feeding not on sunlight but on minerals. Others enter cryptobiosis, a kind of sleep where time stands still. And then there are the tardigrades, tiny, nearly indestructible, found clinging to moss and soil, still alive after decades of cold. Even stranger, bacteria with no known relatives, genetic orphans, perhaps from a different branch of life altogether. If life can survive here, without warmth or light or air, could it survive on Europa or beneath the ice of Enceladus? Sometimes Antarctica feels less like a place and more like a question. 4 kilometers beneath the surface, there is water, liquid water, untouched by the sky for 15 million years. Lake Vostok, kept warm by the Earth itself, pressurized and sealed. When scientists reached it, they found over 3,500 unique genetic sequences, some completely unknown. But Vostok is just one. There are hundreds of lakes, rivers, even currents flowing in darkness beneath the ice. Some have tides, pulled by the moon, like the sea, an entire world beneath our world, quiet, ancient, and alive. And while most of Antarctica sleeps, some places burn. Over 130 volcanoes lie hidden beneath the ice, some still active. Mount Erebus. Its lava lake glows in the coldest part of the Earth. A fire. That never stops. These hidden heat sources may be what keep those lakes alive, and possibly the life within them. NASA studies these volcanic lake systems as models for alien habitats, because to understand what life could look like out there, we must understand what it survives down here. But the ice is melting, and with it comes a new kind of uncertainty. The Thwaites Glacier, called the Doomsday Glacier, is collapsing. Each year it loses over 50 billion tons of ice. Beneath it, a hollow grows, as large as Manhattan. If it falls, sea levels could rise by 3 meters. Millions would be displaced. But rising oceans aren't the only thing waking up. As ice retreats, it's revealing viruses and bacteria we haven't seen for tens of thousands of years. In 2022, a virus was revived from Siberian permafrost, 48,500 years old, still infectious. What might lie beneath Antarctic ice? Older, stranger, we don't know, and maybe we're not ready to. And then there are the stories. Operation High Jump, 1946. A massive U.S. Navy mission that ended far sooner than expected. Some say they found things that weren't supposed to be there. Satellite photos show pyramid shapes, geometric formations, even blurred out zones. Is it just snow, or something forgotten and buried? No one owns Antarctica. By treaty, it belongs to science, to peace. But many nations are here now. Dozens of bases, some equipped with tech that looks more military than medical. Some places are marked off. No-fly zones, restricted maps, Coordinates missing. Why? What aren't we supposed to see? Antarctica is more than a place. It's a mirror. It shows us what life can endure and what it remembers. It holds the past, hints at the future, and keeps secrets better than anywhere else on Earth. This was Antarctica. Secrets beneath the ice. If you believe the unknown is worth exploring, subscribe to NextFact, because what comes next goes even deeper.